On Friday, October 6, the Trump administration pulled the proverbial trigger many women feared. Under the new directive, lots of people will be affected by President Donald Trump's rollback of birth control coverage under Obamacare. The rollback, first rumored in May, would severely limit the requirements for employers to cover birth control under the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare. The change could affect as many as 62 million American women, by reducing access to free birth control. According to data cited in a New York Times report from Thursday, 55 million women currently have no co-payments for birth control thanks to Obamacare's contraception mandate. Many get their services free of charge. The rollback includes a set of regulations, two of which could pose this impact on women. The first allows for any employer to refuse to cover birth control based on religious beliefs, while the second allows for this on moral convictions. Seen as a massive win by some conservative and religious rights groups, this undoes the rule under Obamacare that reserved the right to refuse contraceptive coverage specifically for religiously affiliated employers. But officials have a very different take on how many women would be affected. The Washington Post reports that according to the Federal Register, the rule would affect an estimated 120,000 women. The Department of Health and Human Services officials told the Post this represents only a fraction of a percentage, based on the number of groups that have filed lawsuits around the issue. Per the Post, Friday's rule is a temporary one, but takes effect immediately. In response to the news, Planned Parenthood President Cecile Richards said in a statement,